Okay, the third and final skill for this week with fractions is multiplying mixed numbers, okay? So this is a little bit more complicated, but here we go. Multiplying mixed numbers. Alright, so we'll just start with two mixed numbers. Let's say we have 3.5 times 1 2/3. So we got two mixed numbers that we're multiplying together. We're going to use the skill we just learned, the second skill video that I just made. And we're going to, before we can do anything with these mixed numbers, we have to change them into improper fractions first. So I'm going to use the skill I just learned from the last video twice. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and the denominator stays the same, so that's 7 halves, times 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so that's our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. So then it's 7 halves times 5/3. And this is the easy part. So all I have to do is multiply straight across. So I multiply the first numerator times the second numerator. So 7 times 5 is 35. And then I multiply the first denominator by the second denominator. 2 times 3 is 6. And then to find your answer, you need to change this improper fraction. Find your final answer, you need to change this improper fraction back into a mixed number. So we have to see how many times 6 goes into 35. Well, if I'm using math facts, 6 times 6 is 36. That's too many, so that won't work. 6 times 5 is 30. So this is going to equal 5 wholes. And then 6 times 5 is 30, so 35 minus 30 gets you 5/6 left over. So the answer here is 5 and 5/6. So our rules would be, first, we change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Second, we multiply straight across. Numerators and denominators. And third, you will likely have to change your improper fraction back into a mixed number. Okay, so that's all three skills that we are learning about this week. So hopefully that gives you a little bit more help on what we're doing with fractions in this first week of our at-home learning. Thanks, guys.